Hello friends, do you know the importance of 26 November in India? 26 November is observed as Constitution Day. It is also known as National Law Day or Samvidhan Divas. The day is to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India in 1949. It is the longest written constitution of any sovereign state in the world. The day aims to create awareness of fundamental duties as enshrined in the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called the father of Indian Constitution. He was the chairman of the drafting committee. The day was marked by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2015 as a part of year-long celebration of the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
भारत सरकार ने इसे संविधान दिवस के रूप में हर वर्ष मनाने का निर्णय किया है।
November 26 was earlier celebrated as Law Day. It marks the day when India has adopted its constitution back in 1949. 1949, that is more than 2 years after attaining independence from the British rule. Constitution came into effect next year on January 26 in 1950, and the day is celebrated as Republic Day. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar or Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first law minister and also the first chairman of the Constituent Drafting Committee that was entrusted with the responsibility of drafting the constitution. On November 25, 1949, Ambedkar made a moving speech. It ended with 3 warnings for the future. First, one must abandon the methods of civil disobedience, non-cooperation and satyagraha. Second, bhakti in religion may be the road to salvation of his soul. But in politics, bhakti or hero worship is sure route to degradation and to eventually dictatorship. Third, if we continue to deny equality for long, we will do so only by putting our political democracy in peril.
राष्ट्रपति महोदय, सर, मैं ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी द्वारा निश्चित की हुई संविधान की रूपरेखा को प्रस्तुत करता हूं और निवेदन करता हूं कि इस पर विचार किया जाए। मैं यहां पर संविधान की अच्छाइयां गिनाने नहीं जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि संविधान कितना भी अच्छा क्यों ना हो, वो अंततः बुरा साबित होगा अगर उसे इस्तेमाल में लाने वाले लोग बुरे होंगे।
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Constitution is a set of basic rules that are accepted by all the people living in a country. It declares India to be a sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic republic and assures its citizens equality, liberty and justice. We would like to say that the celebration of the Constitution of India is essential since we became aware of what values our predecessors wanted to instill in us. We must understand and stand by every word it says, since it provides a guideline as to how Indians should uphold themselves. We solemnly hope to become the Indian who makes our country proud.